Hey there, fellow investors, welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the world of stocks and investments. Today, we're going to take a closer look at NVIDIA Corp, one of the most exciting companies in the market. Let's start with the fundamentals. NVIDIA has been performing exceptionally well, consistently beating its own revenue estimates and seeing impressive growth in its core markets. It's no surprise that it's also been rewarded with a coveted 5-star by rating from research firm Moody's. Now, let's talk about the numbers. NVIDIA reported an astounding $7.1 billion in revenue for the second quarter of 2023, a figure that surpassed analyst expectations by nearly $500 million. This impressive growth is largely attributed to its gaming business, which saw a 35% jump from the previous quarter. In conclusion, it's clear that NVIDIA is on a roll and continues to be an exciting investment opportunity. So, if you haven't already, consider adding this stock to your portfolio and reap the benefits of this tech giant's success. Thank you for tuning into today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful investment analysis. Until next time, happy investing.